What's wrong, Danny?
Darn thing won't start.
Maybe the spark plugs aren't firing.
Thanks for the tip, honey, but would you let me, please? Okay.
Come on! What is wrong?
I know. Try now. Huh. That should do it. Try it now.
It's not starting.
Damn! Try it now. Try it now. Come on, give her juice. Crank her! Crank her! Come on! Come on! Rats, I just don't get it. Just don't get it. Try it now. Try it now. No? Well, maybe we should stay home then, huh? Let's just rent a movie, build a fire. Yeah, just the two of us. Try now! Try now! Try now! Bang!
Daniel, no use.
I got an idea. Okay. Here's the problem. Come on, you little rat. One of the Thompson brats. Try it now.
Eureka!
Okay, let's go, Scooter.
Okay, Phantom, here we come. We don't have time to